Dogecoin? What is this Dogecoin? How did it begin? Let's know in this video. Originally formed as a joke, Dogecoin was created by IBM software engineer Billy Marcus and Adobe software engineer Jackson Palmer. Dogecoin was officially launched on December 6, 2013, and within the first 30 days, there were over 1 million visitors to Dogecoin.com. Marcus had designed Dogecoin's protocol based on existing cryptocurrencies Luckycoin and Litecoin, which use script technology in their proof-of-work algorithm. On December 19, 2013, Dogecoin jumped nearly 300% in value in 72 hours, rising from $0.00026 United States dollars to $0.00095, with a volume of billions of Dogecoins per day. 3 days later, Dogecoin experienced its first major crash by dropping by 80% due to Dogecoin. This event into large mining pools exploiting the small amount of computing power required at the time to mine. On December 25, 2013, the first major theft of Dogecoin occurred when millions of coins were stolen, during a hack on the online cryptocurrency wallet platform DogeWallet. This hacking incident spiked tweets about Dogecoin, making it the most mentioned altcoin on Twitter at the time, although it was about a negative event. To help those who lost funds on DogeWallet after its breach, the Dogecoin community started an initiative named Save Dogemas to help donate coins to those who had them stolen. In January 2014, the trading volume of Dogecoin briefly surpassed that of Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies combined. Initially, Dogecoin featured a randomized reward that is received for each mining block. A copper and silver token representing Dogecoin, minted in 2014 by Shibe Mint. During 2017 to early 2018 cryptocurrency bubble, Dogecoin briefly reached a peak of $0.017 per coin on January 7, 2018, putting its total market capitalization near $2 billion United States dollars. In July 2020, the price of Dogecoin spiked following a TikTok trend aiming to get the coin's price to $1. In January 2021, Dogecoin went up over 800% in 24 hours, attaining a price of 7 cents, as a result of attention from Reddit users, partially encouraged by Elon Musk and the GameStop short squeeze. In February 2021, Dogecoin hit a new high price of 8 cents following Twitter encouragement from Musk, Snoop Dogg and Gene Simmons. In April 2021, Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies surged, stimulated in part by the direct listing for cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase on April 14, although that platform did not provide trading of Dogecoin. Interest in Dogecoin contributed to an outage in electronic trading platform Robinhood's cryptocurrency system, on April 15, caused by unprecedented demand, and prompted concerns from experts of a nearing speculative bubble in the cryptocurrency market. 2021, the value of Dogecoin first surpassed the symbolic hurdle of 50 cents, a greater than 20,000% increase in 1 year. On May 8, 2021, despite, or perhaps because of expectations of a surge in interest in Dogecoin, resulting from Elon Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live, Dogecoin dropped 34% from $0.711 at the opening of the show to below $0.470 45 minutes later. By the following morning, Dogecoin hit a swing low of $0.401, a cumulative drop of 43.6% and a lost value of $35 billion. On May 9, 2021, SpaceX announced a rideshare mission to the Moon completely funded by Dogecoin, thus becoming the first space mission funded by a cryptocurrency. On August 14, 2021, the Dogecoin Foundation announced the re-establishment of the Dogecoin Foundation, with a renewed focus on supporting the Dogecoin ecosystem, community and promoting the future of the Dogecoin blockchain. The foundation was reinvigorated by the addition to its board of notable advisors such as Vitalik Buterin and Jared Burkle. Dogetipbot was a cryptocurrency transaction service used on popular sites like Reddit and Twitch. It allowed users to send Dogecoins to other users through commands via Reddit comments. Technology and DeFi. While Dogecoin cannot interact with smart contracts directly given that it operates on its chain, the coins can be wrapped so that they can be locked into a state that is interoperable with a contract until it is later released. The Ren Project has enabled Dogecoin to be used on the Ethereum blockchain and access the DeFi network. Currency supply. Dogecoin started with a supply limit of 100 billion coins, which would have been far more coins than the top digital currencies were then allowing. By mid-2015 the 100 billionth Dogecoin had been mined with an additional 5 billion coins put into circulation every year thereafter.